Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacy first year. To succeed, begin by understanding foundational sciences like chemistry and biology. Focus on grasping core concepts rather than just memorizing facts. Develop a consistent study routine early on to manage your workload effectively. Utilize all available resources, including your professors and textbooks, to build a strong knowledge base from day one. First-year pharmacy involves mastering several key subjects. Pharmacology is crucial. Focus on drug mechanisms and therapeutic indications. Pharmaceutics covers dosage forms and calculations, which are essential for safe practice. Understanding anatomy and physiology provides the foundation for how drugs affect the body. Additionally, medicinal chemistry helps you grasp drug design and interactions at a molecular level. To study effectively, create a consistent schedule and stick to it. Active participation in lectures, including asking questions, deepens your understanding. Forming study groups allows you to discuss complex topics and quiz one another, reinforcing learning. Regularly practice problem solving, particularly for calculations and clinical case studies, to apply your knowledge and prepare for exams. Utilize available resources like library databases and online platforms such as Lexicomp for drug information. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from professors, academic advisors, and peer mentors. Prioritize your well-being by ensuring adequate sleep, good nutrition, and regular exercise. Engaging in hobbies and social activities is also vital to maintain a healthy work-life balance and prevent burnout during your demanding first year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.